Hey everyone, Teo here. Today I'm reviewing the Clumsy K3. This is a mechanical keyboard with 82 keys and a 13-inch ultra-wide touch screen display that can improve your productivity instantly. And there is one NVMe enclosure behind. So when you use this as a secondary display, you can use it to display smaller windows. There is enough space for 3 windows, and for me, I usually use the file browser, Gmail, Outlook, YouTube Music Player, or instant messaging app on this secondary display. Oh, by the way, disclaimer, this is a review unit provided by the company. In this video, I'll just present to you my findings so that you can decide whether this is worth the money. And the price for this keyboard is US $389. Let me give you the bottom line up front. I have reviewed the Clumsy K1 keyboard before, and this is a significant upgrade over the previous model because now you can actually tilt the display so that you can look at the display from the front. So this is a huge upgrade, and it's using a mechanical keyboard. The typing experience is excellent. Dual display setup is always useful, so this will definitely improve your productivity instantly. Having a top-down display setup like this is great because you can see everything without having to tilt your head or look left and right as compared to having a dual display setup that is by the side. So this is definitely more ergonomic, and this setup also saves you table space because this is a 2-in-1 design. You have a display and a keyboard compared to having another big display by the side.